Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. My name's Clay from Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I don't sell very many automobiles, but the ones that I do sell, I pride myself a great deal on my mechanical integrity and my ability to help people later on in the future if they ever need it. This is a 2009. It has 117,000 miles on it. It's about to roll 118,000 miles. When I got it, it did not run properly. It needed timing chains and head gaskets, fairly common for these, but generally a little bit later on in life. I don't think it had anything to do with the people that owned it before. The inside of the engine was immaculately cleaned and well taken care of. So, you know, I'm not sure why something could have happened, but I bought it that way. We checked over the brakes, we checked the transmission pan. If you read the ad, you know all of this stuff. I think the interior of it's pretty clean. Is it brand new? No, it's not, but it does stand up pretty well. I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys look this thing over and form your own opinion, and leave you with that if you've never owned one of these, they are exceptional in the snow and just getting around every day. The fuel mileage is okay. Gets about 21 miles to the gallon to 24. And if you're looking for above average mechanically pre-owned cars, please consider subscribing to my page. I don't sell very many cars, but like I said, I take a lot of pride in them. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to read my ad and watch my video. Have a great day. It's kind of a nice feature, the auxiliary output. So it's got a built-in power inverter from the factory. Full-size spare underneath it too. Yep. It's really good condition, or at least okay anyways. And that flips around, so if you like got to put some boxes back here and you don't want them rolling all around, kind of nice little feature.